So I think I'm pregnant. Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy Woke, and I'm back again with another video. I've seen all y'all guys' comments. You guys hit me up in the DMs. You guys hit me up everywhere talking about, yo, where's the videos at? Where's the videos at? Yo, they're coming. Taking this trip to Vegas right now as we speak. I'm on the way. I'll be uploading this vlog pretty soon. Well, by the time y'all see this, it's fucking uploaded. I forgot my camera at home. I know, rookie move. But no need to worry, I got this iPhone XS Max right here, so I'm about to use this to vlog. Everything that I'm recording here is gonna be used with the iPhone XS. Y'all check it out, man. If y'all don't follow me already, follow me, subscribe. Let's be friends, like, comment, do all that good stuff, man. It's your boy STVYWOKE, and let's get into this.
3:28 a.m.
Would anybody love to see a magic trick? Would anybody love to see a magic trick? Would anybody love to see a magic trick? Right now, right? Let's give it a minute. It's here for a minute, and this is all I get. 20 motherfucking dollars. It's my shit, bro! It's my oh! 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 Who are they? Who are they? Who are these guys? Oh, I got caught up in the crowd! Ah! I love you! Shit! I lost my girl. Hey, pardon me, short guy. Excuse me. Pardon me, short guy. Come on, right? Excuse me. Pardon me, short guy. Excuse me. A mattress? Yeah. Excuse me? It better be a Tempur-Pedic. Excuse me. Pardon me, short guy. Excuse me. Pardon me, short guy. Excuse me. Pardon me, short guy. Would anybody love to see a magic trick? No? Shit. Oh my God. I have a few felonies. Oh, she spanked me! Yo, what the fuck? That was hot! Wait. You have to pay to get spanked? Oh shit, where's that coming from? Oh my God, I gotta go! What did I get into? Hey, that shit hurt! How do y'all find that cute? I'm wrong! Oh, my boy! He's loving that shit! Hey, Justin, you gotta bend over a little bit more. A little bit more. He said he has a felony for being naughty. Dang, girl. Dang, girl. That's not iron, that's titanium. See, hey, that's no. America's Got Talent right here, boy. Hey.
Eventually.
I know nobody on. In the hat. Hold on, I gotta find. Would you guys love to see a magic trick? Yes? Me too. Where can I see one? No. Pokemon cards before, y'all. I've never seen these.
You're gonna have to blur that out.
These are rare. Huh? Oh, let me cover it, bro. I've never seen these Pokemon cards. That's nice. That was really nice.
Tonight, free limo, no cover charge.
Strip club.
Titties in your face.
I don't know how my pastor would feel about that situation.
Y'all with my people, cuz.
Yeah, we out here, my boy. We out here. You already know.
I know that motherfucker.
Oh. Who fucked it up? Who fucked up this interdimensional circle? I don't know what I said. I don't know what the fuck happened there.
Something happened.
But that shit is not cool.
Something happened.
Oh. Damn, they found El Chapo.
They're taking the millions. Go this way.
Oh shit. Who dropped my mixtape? So we out here. I don't know where the fuck I'm at, but I'm out here with a fucking entrepreneur. I don't know. That motherfucker own like 4 fucking businesses that fucking. Oh. What is it called?
Open Mind Emporium.
What does that mean? I can't even fucking pronounce it.
Emporium is just a gift shop on steroids.
Hold on, you can't see me because I'm short.
Open Mind Emporium.
Scotch?
Scottsdale.
Scottsdale. Okay.
Arizona,
Yeah, damn, that's dope, bro.
Open Mind Redesign, custom clothing, custom printing, everything you
Yeah,
need.
hell yeah. Are you hiring? Oh. What's going on here?
Pictures.
No one's moving? What does the winner get? I'm good at this shit. I used to play when I was 4. ain't forgot. The guy was an entrepreneur, made a shit ton of money. I was gonna ask him for a job, and he left.
You're so mean.
Fuck. I don't know if y'all heard, but they said that Taco Bell. What? I can't see. I'm short. Sorry. Taco Bell was the greatest Mexican restaurant around. What? I'm bored.
Like that.
Out here. Stay motherfucking woke, baby. You heard? Out here.
Represent.
He don't even know who I am, and he's still rocking my brand. Shout out, my boy. Hey, yo, real talk. If y'all can't name this song, unfollow me. Just unsubscribe. We gon' go, we might as well do. I fucking forgot the lyrics. Fuck! Boy! Whose man's? Boy! Pulled up in a drop top, baby. Damn. This shit wild, bro. This shit wild. Oh! Who that's Mayweather right there, bro? That shit crazy. That shit crazy, bro. Get out here. His security was just like, cut it. Nope, no good. Yo, I gotta say, I'm quite impressed with this battery life of this phone. This shit's amazing. I've been recording in 4K this whole fucking time, and it still got some pretty decent battery life. Good job, Apple. Yo, it's been a rough day. I lost my voice already. This shit's insane. If y'all haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know who I am, like I said, subscribe. Let's be friends. It's your boy STVYWOKE, and we out of here.
I am woke. I am woke, 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 woke.